Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to check AI in QuillBot. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in QuillBot.com and click on enter. You can log into your account by clicking on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. If you do not have the account already, you can simply click on this button and sign up for your account. Now, on the dashboard which is at the left side of your screen, you can find AI detector option. Simply click on it. From here, you can select the language. Now paste the text here or you can upload the document. After doing so, you can click on Detect AI button and QuillBot will detect AI in your text or document. If your goal is to avoid AI detection, you can manually edit the text after using QuillBot. You can change the sentence structure, adding personal opinion or example. So that is how you can check AI in QuillBot. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.